Now let's take a look at inside. Alright, Cary. I'm going to have to print out new ones. These are the originals. I can print out new ones that are nice and wide. And evidently I used what looks like a crap stapler gun or something. And these staples aren't even really in there. Well, that one kind of is. So I'm going to redo that. I've got a bunch of junk in here right now too. EL wire stuff. This is the key for the front of the machine right here. The key starter mod. I keep that in here because my daughters will play with it and I'll lose it. I know that for a fact because I already did lose it once. And so I've got this arcade power supply in here. I prefer to use these instead of the onboard for accessory power. So this is powering all of the lighting for underneath and behind the tool, and like I'm at work, for the machine, as well as the glowing flipper button mod. And this is all this excess stuff that doesn't even belong here. And this is extra hardware and WPC power. Okay. Well, as some plastic pieces. I think I bought this on accident, but I guess this one needed a new one anyway, so I'll get it. Yeah, good. So I may have bought it on accident, but I kept it around for just in case purposes. And it looks like I'm going to use it because this one's got a little divot in it. I have never installed the side rails, even though they are powder coated. I tend to do those last because I don't want any unnecessary dents or scratches on them while I'm still putting things into the machine. Probably a layer of dust up here too. Ooh, nasty. I don't even know what I've got going on in the back box here. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so I have got not much going on back here. Alright. Curious as to why I put these boards in here. Oh well. They're in there. I remember I had to repair this. This was all kinds of messed up, so I got this all repaired whenever I cleaned that up. And that's where we're at on that. Eventually we will get a color DMD for it. I probably won't get the color DMD until Texas Pinball Festival. That's when I get my discount. So that's when I tend to buy those color DMDs, is at PinFest. Yep, I'm cheap. And yeah, I think that's where we're at on that. I really want to get the mirrored back glass. I just don't think I'm going to get it soon, but I do want to get it. And I think that's where we're at on the cabinet. It's not horrible, just needs to be cleaned up. I also have an idea for a modification to this, and we'll see how that goes. That's still all in the works, just basically in my head about what I want to do with it. Alright. Spent some time today cleaning out the cabinet and getting a lot of things cleaned up and wiped down just to see if there's anything else I need to do. Got the 1-inch layer of dust off the top of the back box. Now I'm going to start working on getting things put back into the back box, like the boards and everything. I'm going to go over them to make sure that everything looks good. It doesn't need any kind of reflowing on any of the solder joints, and the Molex connectors all look good. And that's what I'm doing now. Pulling all the boards out of the box that I had these in, I can already remember that I have already repaired this board when it comes to the general illumination. I've already replaced that Molex because that one was really messed up. Pins were just sliding through the holes. It was a little crispy. So that should be good. As far as there's anything else with the board that's wrong, I'm not seeing anything, but I'll go through here and wiggle these.
Would you look at that? Absolutely ridiculous. How the hell do I miss a capacitor that is just completely vacant? Not even there. I don't even understand how I missed that, but I did, so keep that in mind in a future episode.
Pins to make sure everything looks good, but I want to say that was the only issue that I had before taking this game apart, is that my GI was very iffy, and that should resolve it. Time to install the good old cabinet wiring harness. That is where we're at on that. Gonna get this all organized and put back in here. I've got some wire correcting and just tidying things up a bit just for my own peace of mind. Here we go. Okay, I've got more parts in, including my all new star post doubles and singles. I'm going to be installing all of those on the Playfield, as well as my new pop bumper tops. I've got all my new rings for underneath the Playfield just to make that a little more poppy. Rubber grommets for my flipper brackets, and pads for the basically where the ball's going to be bouncing from, like at the ends of the wire forms, as well as inside the video mode eject hole over there. So got all that, and here we go. I now have all star posts in place. Including this one right here. I know that some people don't have a post here, but I'm going to put one there because I want to say that I've heard that this post makes this shot more difficult to hit. And I'm all about a little more difficulty, and makes it a little more fun, so I'm putting it on there, and there it's going to be. All right, moving on. I've only got a couple more pieces left to polish, and that is at the very rear of the machine, including the lift ramp. Now this simply will not do. No. Let's see if we can fix that up a bit. And that looks a lot better. Much better. I'll take that. It's even got a nice reflection right there. Hello. I merely just got this sitting here right now. I'm just making sure everything is going to line up and look good, and I'm going to have access to everything, because I'm not putting this on here until I have my plastics and my rubbers. Otherwise it's just going to be really difficult to get in here and do things. Well, I might be able to do this. Yeah, I think I'll mount this, and then I'll be able to get the plastics and rubbers on there with the supercharger in place. Scratch that. I don't think I will be able to. So yeah, I just got this kind of in place for right now, so it's got a home. But we're getting there. I think I'm gonna run and get the new rubbers right now, actually.